Welcome to the ArcGIS tutorial. I am Abhrodip বিশ্বাস here with you. I am from Khulna University of Engineering and Technology. Currently, I am studying in the Urban and Regional Planning Department. Today, we will learn about georeferencing in ArcGIS. Today, we will cover Introduction to Georeferencing, converting DBF file to XLS in order to use it for GCP, displaying XY data from Excel file, adding control points to georeference, and total RMS error. Let us move to the first part, Introduction to Georeferencing. Georeferencing means that the internal coordinate system of a map or aerial photo image can be related to a geographic coordinate system. When you georeference your raster data, you will define its location using map coordinates and assign the coordinate system of the map frame. Now we will see how to convert DBF file in order to use it for GCP or ground control points. You can see here I have two files. One is the DBF file that is editable in Excel. Another is a JPG file which is actually our raster data. Now if we see the JPG file and open it, we can find some red triangle at some points. Actually these are the GCPs, and we are given the coordinates for these points. Now let's process the ground control points. We'll open the DBF file in Excel. First, we will copy the cells in another sheet in order to remove any white space or formulas remain inside. To do that, we just need to select the data, click copy, create another sheet, and paste as values. Now let's add another column to add serial numbers to those points. Let's see, 1, 2, name it SI. Okay. Now let's change the name of X coordinate to easting and Y coordinate to northing. Then we will select all the cells that we need and declare it as database. We are selecting all the cells. We will name it at GCPs and click enter. Finally, we will save it as 1970 to 2003 workbook. Click save as, click browse. We will name it, just add GCP in the last, and in the save as type field we will select Excel 1907 to 2003 workbook XLS. We are saving the file in older format because it works better with ArcGIS rather than the newer formats. Now click save and we are done. Now that we have processed the ground control points, let's learn how to display the XY data in ArcGIS. To do that, we need to add the file first. We'll go to the add data and locate our XLS file. You can see that the satarkul gcp.xls file. Then we will double click on that file to display the existing database that we have defined before. From there, we will select GCPs and click add. Now right click on that file and select Display XY Data. A pop-up window will appear. Select Easting for the X field and Northing for the Y field. And in the coordinate system, we will select BTM. Because we were initially given this data as BTM projection, click Show Details to see if everything is working fine. Then click OK. You can already see some points in the display. Let's change the symbology of the points for better visualization. That's it. Now we know how to display XY data from Excel files. Now that we have plotted the ground control points, let's start georeferencing. First, add the image that we will georeference. An error prompt will be shown. Just click OK and ignore that. To start georeferencing, we will need a toolbar named Georeferencing. You can simply go to the Customize toolbars and select Georeferencing. I have already selected it, so I'll just ignore. Now we want to see both points and the image in the same display. To do that, go to Georeferencing and click Fit to Display. You can see that both the points and the image in the same display. Now from the toolbar, we need to shift and scale the image to plot it properly on the points. Let's scale the image. Now we will shift it towards the points. It is almost plotted but not close. Now we will select 4 control points. This is actually the thumb rule of georeferencing, that you need to select at least 4 control points. Click Add Control Points. Zoom to the red triangle as far as possible and select a point approximately in the middle position. Then click the green point from the GCP. We are selecting approximately the middle position and then click the green point. Similarly, we will add 3 more points. Let's add this one. Select the middle and link it to the green point. We need 2 more points. Let's try this one. It is almost in the middle. Just wanna make sure. We need our last point. Let's select it from here. Okay, done. Now you can see that the image is properly pointed and plotted. You can see the points. You can zoom in and all the points are on the red triangle, so it's primarily georeferenced. Today's last topic is total RMS error. RMS error actually tells us how much error has been occurred during the georeferencing process. It will only appear when you will add 4 or more control points. Let's see our RMS error. Go to the view link table in the toolbar and in the top you can see the total RMS error is showing. In our case, it is 0.268897. The RMS error has a standard limit that it must be less than the raster resolution of your image. Now, if we check the raster resolution of our image from the properties, you can see the cell size is 1, 1. That means RMS error must be less than 1. Therefore, we can say that our image is properly georeferenced. This is all for now. Thank you for watching.